talk about paper. To watch more videos on different topics, do hit the like, share and subscribe buttons of our channel. The history of paper dates back to almost 2000 years when inventors in China first crafted cloth sheets to record their drawings and writings. Paper as we know it today was first made in Liyang, China by Kai Lun, a Chinese court official. Kai mixed mulberry bark, hemp and rags with water, mashed it into pulp, pressed out the liquid and hung the thin mat to dry in the sun. During the 8th century, Muslims from the region that is now Syria, Saudi Arabia and Iraq learned the Chinese secret of paper making when they captured a Chinese paper mill. Later, when the Muslims invaded Europe, they brought this secret with them. The first paper mill was built in Spain, and soon paper was being made at mills all across Europe. To make paper, trees are cut down. The fibers from a tree called cellulose. Conifer trees are often used for paper as they have long fibers that make the paper stronger. There are different types of paper. Some of them are repro paper. It is also called offset or printing paper. It is one of the most common papers on the market and is manufactured in large quantities. It is made of cellulose. Coated paper. Coated paper is a paper that has been coated by a mixture of materials or a polymer to impart certain qualities to the paper, including weight, surface gloss, smoothness, or reduced ink absorbency. Tissue paper. Tissue paper, or simply tissue, is a lightweight paper or light crepe paper. Tissue can be made from recycled paper pulp. Cardboard. Cardboard is a generic term for heavy-duty paper-based products having greater thickness and superior durability or other specific mechanical attributes to paper, such as foldability, rigidity, and impact resistance. The paper from the papyrus plant was first used by the Babylonians and thereafter by the Egyptians around 3000 BC. Before the invention of paper, people wrote on clay tablets, papyrus parchment, vellum, and palm leaves. Over the next 800 years, paper was used for printing important books, Bibles, and legal documents. England began making large supplies of paper in the late 15th century and supplied the colonies with paper for many years. Finally, in 1690, the first US paper mill was built in Pennsylvania. At first, American paper mills used the Chinese method of shredding old rags and clothes into individual fibers to make paper. As the demand for paper grew, the mills changed and used fiber from trees because wood was less expensive and more abundant than cloth. Now I am going to tell some interesting facts about paper. Americans use more than 90 million short tons of paper and paperboard every year. Furthermore, over 2 billion books, 350 million magazines, and 24 billion newspapers are published each year in the US alone. One pine tree can produce about 80,500 sheets of paper. Johannes Gutenberg printed the first Bible on parchment, that is sheepskin. In fact, he used the skins of 300 sheep to end up with one final product. Couples are traditionally given paper gifts to celebrate their first year wedding anniversary. Today, paper is made from trees, mostly grown on working forests and from recovered paper. Recycling has always been a part of paper making. When you recycle your used paper, paper mills will use it to make new newspapers, notebook paper, paper grocery bags, corrugated boxes, envelopes, magazines, cartons, and other paper products. Besides using recovered paper, and trees to make paper. Paper mills may also use wood chips and sawdust left over from lumber operations, whose products are very used to make houses, furniture, and other things. Today, more than 36% of the fiber used to make new paper products in the United States comes from the recycled sources. That's it for today. Thank you for watching this video. See you in another video. Bye.